Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about editing settings. So as you can see, we're on our active bots tab here. We've got a few of our bots running at the moment, and you can see here that this is our video demo bot that we started a while back, and it's trading at the moment. It's as you can see, it's currently positive. It's plus $1.60. So whilst it's not setting the world on fire, it is still showing a positive. Now, one of the things that I just want to point out to you, we've got a few bots here, and you can see here that our budget is showing that we set a budget of $100, if you remember in our previous video. Now it's showing here that we've used $3 of that budget in order to get to that stage. And what does that mean? It basically means that at some stage that it's obviously we're doing $1 bets. So what we can assume from this is that it's placed a $1 bet which it's lost. It then, if you remember, we had this 1, 2, 4 formula. So it then placed another bet with $2 which it also lost, which means that we were a minus $3. It then looks like it's placed the third bet, which is $4, and what that's done is has provided us with enough profit to wipe out the $3 negative and give us a $1.60 positive result at the moment. So at some point, and you can see it here, is that we've got in the profit section here, we've got this bot here, which is a big demo bot. It's trading Gridcoin, and you can see here that it's minus 85 cents, and that is the amount that that budget has used. Okay, so as you can see, that's how it's reflected. Now, if for some reason, I'm not entirely sure what the reason might be, but there may be some reason that you come in and you think, oh crumbs, I've made a terrible mistake, the algorithm's wrong, or the formula's wrong, or the first bet is wrong. Whatever the situation is, you can change things on the fly, and that really is the edit settings button. Now what you need to do is you need to click on the trading, and you need to pause your bot first of all. So just wait for your bot to pause, then you can click on the edit settings, and then you can just very quickly go through and make any changes whatsoever. Okay, just make any changes that you think are particularly relevant. Now if it is that's live normally, you'll notice that it automatically defaults back to the demo. So if you want to make sure that it continues live after you've made all the changes, then you can drop down that box and click the live section, and then obviously you can then set it to be live. I'm just going to leave this one as demo, and we'll click save. Now one of the things that I really want to sort of drive this point home is that we've spent quite a bit of time in the view stats section. We've had a lot of discussion about setting your max budget, and we've had a lot of discussion about making sure that you've got your algorithm, your formula and your bet size all congruent in order to make you a profit over the course of 3 days. Well, if after maybe 2 or 3 hours you're showing a minus, then really what you need to just sort of question yourself is, why have 2 hours made a significant difference to your outlook on the information that you've set it up? Okay, so just please bear that in mind. And as you can see, even as we're talking, is that was at minus 85 cents and is now showing a profit of $4, and I haven't changed anything. All I've done is just simply open the edit button, open the edit settings, and then saved everything. So please don't go into these edit settings every 5 minutes or every hour, making a tweak here and a tweak there. You've set the bot up correctly based on your information, based on the data, and I would just let that bot run its course, and only then then you can obviously make a decision about whether you want to cut it from being 3 days over to 2 days, or perhaps even let the bot completely expire and then just rerun the bot again. So please don't keep coming into this page and changing the settings. Just allow the bot to do what the bot does.